In this video, we will cover how to perform a temperature calibration on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Harvest, press the Calibration tab, press Temperature, adjust the temperature offset so that the temperature in the window matches the actual temperature. Once this is done, press the green check mark. We have now covered how to perform a temperature calibration on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.